Happy week 6, everyone. This week we'll be exploring role modeling and digital citizenship together. You'll have the opportunity to read Berkowitz chapters 17 and 18 this week, and you'll also have a chance to explore an article and a video about the importance of developing our students' digital citizenship as we prepare to help them live lives of character. This week's discussion board in particular, let's head over that way, gives you a chance to talk about goal setting, specifically related to character development. So, personal character goal setting is one way for teachers to model for students what it means to be continuously reflecting and working toward a character related goal. When students see that their teacher is willing to voice a goal, they're more likely to recognize the value in doing the same. Class-wide goals are also important, and it's worth taking time to discuss specific outcomes and set goals to get there. There are many goals that can come from a class-wide discussion on and commitment to digital citizenship, for example. Go ahead for this week and answer just one of the following prompts, and remember to provide at least one article for scholarly support. Number one, you can find an article on the topic of digital citizenship and discuss ways that you could integrate digital citizenship into your class goals. Or number two, write a brief script showing how you would explain a personal character goal as a way of modeling for students what it looks like to focus goal setting around a character trait as opposed to a different area of achievement. And then go ahead and provide your scholarly support. I've got to say, I've already seen you share so many incredible examples of these types of things that you're doing in your classes. So I'm excited to see even more in our discussion board for this week. This week, as a reminder, in terms of your assignment, you'll also be submitting your TED Talk outline and recording. So that will be due Sunday night by 11:59 p.m. And I just want to highly encourage you to check out our actual assignment sheet, which you can click here for the detailed instructions, as well as our rubric, especially down that highly developed column to help you up for success. If you're interested in a verbal breakdown of this assignment with helpful tips and tricks, please feel free to reference our week 5 video where I do go through the outline of the assignment in detail, specifically answering kind of some frequently asked questions and things of that nature. So please feel free to do that as well. And then as you navigate the upcoming week in your busy lives, I just want to invite you to join me in considering Matthew 5:44. But I say to you, love your enemy and pray for those who persecute you. I feel like this is so much easier said than done, yet this is what the Lord calls us to do. Think about how powerful it can be if your students watch you choose to do the right thing, even when it's really hard. For example, when someone speaks rudely to you, right? The options are to retaliate and speak rudely back, or to reply with kindness and understanding, even when you're being treated poorly. And what an amazing way to role model strong character for our students. And I know that you have so many examples of doing that in your own lives as well, that I just feel so inspired by and love to see in the discussion boards in particular. As always, I'm here for you, cheering you on, especially as you are nearing the finish line for this particular course, which will be upon us in no time. So please don't hesitate to reach out throughout the week and have a wonderful week. I look forward to seeing you in the discussion boards.